Should you keep Pokemon as a hobby or turn it into a full business to get tax write-offs? Today, we're going to go over that in this video. My name is Tony Hong, the CPA dude, and I run a full tax and accounting firm, helping clients save money on taxes and have fun at the same time, hence the name's the CPA dude. We serve clients across all 50 states and save people thousands of dollars every single day. So today we're going to go over, should you keep Pokemon as a hobby or should you actually turn it into a full business? And if you do, how do you actually do that? So this is always the hardest part of the show, is to actually open the box. I'm like, man, the seals are actually really good on this. So hobby wise, it's easy, right? Hobby, you get no tax write-offs, but everyone's always trying to save money on taxes. So as a hobby, you really don't have to do anything. I would still like just save the receipts, because even as a hobby, you know, maybe it's just the inner nerd and accountant of me, where I would actually not want to know, like, all right, how much is this hobby actually costing me? Can I actually make some money from it? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs today, and we're going to go over this. So as a hobby for Pokemon, it's simple, right? You just buy the packs, rip it, have fun. Who gives a shit about whether you make money or not? Then it's easy. But, you know, if you want to actually upgrade, and there's actually things in the IRS called hobby loss rules versus real businesses. And if you actually want to upgrade into a business, what do you actually have to do? And before we go into that, we want to even see if it's actually worth it for you to actually turn it into it. So if you're lazy as fuck and do not want to work, keep it as a hobby. Like so many people, so many clients, I'm like, hey, do you want to do this? Like, and then get some tax benefits out of it and make your XYZ, like Pokemon, into a business. And they're like, nah, I don't want to take the level of the game out for it. Like, I don't have time for it. I'm like, all right, don't got time. That means you're not getting any tax benefits. Oh, Typhlosion. He was good back in the day. But if you actually have the stomach to actually turn it into a real business, this is where you actually get tax write-offs. So because you're willing to put in the effort, America, the IRS loves small businesses. Like, why do they give small businesses, real estate charities, so many benefits? It's because that's what the IRS wants to see. It's what the government tax policy wants to see. It's what they're doing in DC. So if you actually have the stomach for it, all you have to do, you don't even need an LLC, my friends. All you have to do is go get an EIN, and you can go get an EIN from the IRS website. Do not pay for it. I see a lot of people pay for an EIN. I'm like, bro, these are free. Ironically, the IRS website closes at 7 p.m. though. So I don't know how an online website actually closes. I'm like, bro, it's the website, but it's also, bro, it's the IRS. So nothing ever makes sense. So you can get an EIN for free, and you do not have to pay for one. It got trashed. And what you can do then, once you have an EIN, you can actually go get a bank account, and the bank account will be where you'll run all your transactions. But pro tip here, get a credit card. I don't like people, like when I see people using debit cards, I'm like, bro, do you not love points? Do you not love free money? Do you like, I don't get it. Like, if you're using debit cards, can you just throw away your debit cards now? Like, just leave it at home. Like, you want credit cards, my friends. So get a credit card. And like, I got a credit card when I first started out my business. They gave me 50 grand just because I had okay credit. I'm like, dope, 50 grand, 12 months interest free too. So, Magikarp. So you could actually just have that credit card, run all your Pokemon expenses on it, and start vending, grading. We all know what PSA takes forever in order to get your slabs back and graded. So you can actually just, oh shit, let's go. I have no idea, but this thing looks dope as fuck. All right. Oh shit, and Articuno too. All right. Oh, we got something. We got some full art. On that, you can actually just get a credit card, run all your transactions through it. And then what you can do next is actually grab QuickBooks. So once you grab QuickBooks, it's an online accounting software. There's a ton that you can do. All you have to do is just link your bank account, link your credit card into it, and it's going to start doing half the work for you. Like, QuickBooks is great. Best 30 bucks you could spend. If you're not ready to spend 30 bucks, that's another thing of why you should keep it a hobby versus having this as a business. Like businesses, you have to take risk to get reward. A lot of people lose that out of sight. And it's like, dude, you got to pay to play. Like, there's one thing that I learned is that you can't expect to make, can you expect to make $100 if you invest $10? That's a 10x return on your money. Warren Buffett was even that good of an investor. Like, what's the chances of you becoming that good of an investor yourself? Let's be honest. Oh shit. All right, this guy looks dope too. That's not going to happen. So if you want to actually get good at what you have to do, you have to put blood, sweat, tears, money, time into it. Like, my hair's grayed the fuck out and lost a lot of hair up top because I was trying to stand up my business. You know, it's like this accounting firm didn't go from the CPA dude, one person, into 48 different people overnight. Lost a lot of sleep, lost a lot of time. Like, I probably could look a little bit younger, but it's all good. Well, we're having fun now, ripping Pokemon cards and talking about how you can start your own business. So starting your own business has all its perks though. So let's talk about the perks of writing off, like having write-offs. Now, all this stuff, if I had a Pokemon business, I'd just be writing it off. Like, even though I got some trash packs, 24-hour packs earlier, I could use that as all its cost of goods sold and I could write it off. So if I bought $1,000 worth of Pokemon cards and I'm at the 30% tax bracket, I would get a $300 tax deduction. So all those Pokemon cards would only cost me $700. So that's the benefit. That's pretty cool. That's the benefit of having a business. You can write off everything. And we're at the last pack here, so last pack magic, hopefully. And just to conclude, like, you can have a business. There's other write-offs you can do: cell phone, home office, car mileage. Everything in your normal life you can count as a business expense. You can write it off. The key is to see how much business expenses you can get off. So last pack here as we go through. If you want like further help, just follow me on the CPA Dude on Instagram. If you're interested in learning more, go to the website, the CPA Dude. We got a little quiz. You can see how bad your taxes are. If your taxes are good, it will rate you like from A to F. A being good, B being okay. And then if it's like C or below, you actually have an opportunity to schedule time with our team to see if we can actually help you out. From there, we'll actually see if we can draft up a tax plan that'll actually save you money. We have a thing called a tax savings blueprint. What that is that it's $3,000 for you to invest in. If we don't save you at least $3,000, I'll just give you your money back. I really don't care. Like, I care more about my reputation than your own money. So if you want help, just go to the cpdude.com and let's see what we're going to finish out today with. Oh, Porygon. Ah, trash. All right. But it's been fun. So I appreciate you hanging out with me here today. So if you need any help, just check out the links below and we'll get you taken care of. So I hope that helps on if you want to decide if this is a hobby or actually transition and move into the big leagues and turn it into a full-blown business.